not a bad thing to doubt yourself, because we don't know everything 100%. It is part of being human when you have doubts. Humans, we have doubts. Humans, sometimes we questioning actions, behavior. Why this happened to me? Why I still doing this? Why I made the decision I made? Why I still not accomplish this? Why I still working so hard and I haven't seen the results? All of those questions are validated because you are human, you have feelings. We are not supposed to be stuck in life. That's part of growing. That's part of self-growth within yourself. And when you see yourself, questioning yourself, I think I am a powerful person. I think I am who I think I am. I think I had the ability to do this, all of this, to accomplish all of it, to find myself who I am as a person in this planet, to thrive in life, to pursue my dreams and thrive. You might find yourself questioning who you are. Inside you can find that answer. And that doesn't mean that you don't gonna have doubt, because we all have doubt. Sometimes you go in life, a different journey, something that you might want to accomplish, a goal that you always want to pursue, but you always doubted that you can make it through, and you just put it right there in a little side and forget about that. But because the struggles and the hardship that sometimes we encounter in life, we kind of forget who truly we are inside us. And we underestimate the ability, our strength, the power that we have ourselves to continue to thrive in life. And we sometimes questioning ourselves, who I am, who you are, who am I? We forget that in the midst of everything, sometimes confusion, doubt arise. And when you encounter those doubts, those insecurities, sometimes all of that are validated. But one thing for sure, always believe on yourself. Always. Even if in the bottom of your heart something is saying that you cannot make it, always believe on yourself. You have to be the first one in line believing on yourself, advocating for yourself, for your dreams. Don't let life pass you by and you looking from afar. Be part of that journey. Be part of the work. Be part of that transition in life. And in those stages, you're gonna find confusion, doubt. But that doesn't mean that you're gonna be the entire life stuck where you are, or where you think or you perceive that you are. It's just one of those moments that you are having doubt about the things that you can accomplish, about who you are, the person that you can become. Self-growth takes time. And it's not something that happens from one day to another. The word growth is stages, and spark that little light to pursue dreams. That is part of the journey. And one thing, never forget to write down your dreams. Always dream big, but always be realistic. And it's okay, you can dream big. Yes, I want to get $1 million one day, but always focus on what you're doing today to accomplish that one day. In life, you have to set up goals that are short-term, long-term. And also, don't forget to write what are the difficulties that I can encounter or might encounter, or that I'm having to accomplish those goals, to pursue those dreams. Write it down. And in that also, create strategies in between. What can you do to accomplish that? And what can you do to avoid those obstacles? Or who can help you? Or how you're gonna get the resources, the support that you need to accomplish your dreams. I hope in this video, you find the peace, the harmony, and the strength that you need to pursue your goals, your dreams. I am Patricia Houston, and I'm leaving you with this beautiful message.